Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Blogger. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your computer browser and type in the search bar, Blogger. So as you can see, Blogger is an online content management system founded in 1999, which enables its users to write blog with timestamp entries. So for that, let's head on to Blogger. So click on the link right here that says www.blogger.com. So once you click on that, it will automatically lead you to this page, and just simply click on sign in. So if you simply click on sign in, if you have a Google account, you can now actually sign in using your Google account to use Blogger, because Blogger is powered by Google. So once I click on sign in right here, now you have to choose an account, which account you want to use to sign in. So I'm just going to click on this account right here, and next we are now in the section right here. So I'm just going to skip this part real quick. So as you can see, I am already in Blogger. So once you have done that, just click on create your blog right here and choose the account again. And now first you must enter the name of your blog. So I'm just gonna enter let's say music is passion. So you can name anything that you want. So once I have done that, I'm just gonna click on next right here, and now enter the URL or the domain that you want to use for your blog. So I'm just gonna select musicalthings.com. So as you can see, it says sorry, this blog address is not available. So basically Musical Things is taken. So let's add like a number right here. So as you can see, the blog address is now available. So I'm just going to click on next. And of course, how do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? So I'm just going to say Blogger1. So that's about it. You can actually enter your name right here, but I'm just going to enter Blogger1 right here. And next is to click on finish. So as you can see, it is processing, so we'll just wait for that to process, and once you have done that, it will now lead you to the dashboard right here. So this is where we will be editing our blog, and so that's about it. So next, what you want to do is, as you can see, I've gone to my post. I have no post available right now because I still haven't made a blog. Now, for you to start making blog, all you gotta do is go to create new post right here by clicking on the new post button right here. And now you can now actually name your blog right here. But before that, we still have to go to themes right about here, and now we can enter or select a type of theme that we want to actually use. So once I go to new blog right here, or view blog, this is my blog right here. As you can see, there is nothing here because we still haven't posted a post regarding on what we have right here. So to do this, you can actually change some of the themes that you want. So for example, right here, I'm gonna use this one. And as you can see, you can have a preview. You can customize and apply. So I'm just gonna click on apply right here. So you can see new theme applied successfully. So I'm just going to refresh this real quick, and as you can see right there, we have now changed the blog, or changed the theme of the blog that we have actually selected right here. Now you can actually customize that one. So as you can see, you can change the image of the theme or remove the image right here. So just click on change image right here and select an image that you want. So for now, I'm not gonna do that because I already like this one. And you can actually remove the image also, and you can choose the main color of the theme. So let's have light gray right here. Let's change another one. So yes, let's leave this one to black. And now go to advanced right here. So right here you can actually have a transparent right about there. So this is where you will be posting your blog, and just toggle this one on if you want to have a transparent theme right about there. And next is the font. So actually you can change the font right here. You can actually change the font style. if you want to. And of course you can have it bold and italic, and you can actually change everything right here if you want to. So that's about it for the theme section. So I'm just gonna go back right here, and now let's head on to posts. As you can see, this is the post that we have currently saved, so I'm just gonna click on that, and now we can now actually type the blog that we want to have. So first, let's make a title. So I'm just gonna select guitars, is it good? Just write about that, and now you can actually type everything that you want. So you can also insert an image, insert a video, and insert special characters right here. So it's up to you. You can actually change the font type and the font size. So that's about it. And now let's select let's just search for a blog regarding on what we have done. So let's copy something that we want to actually have. And please don't copy anything from the internet all the way to your blog, because you will have a lot of issues, some copyright issues if you do that. Now I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. So for example, right here, I'm just going to select music fans have never had so much choice when it comes to keeping up with the latest music news and releases. So I'm just going to copy all of this real quick, and I'm going to paste it right here. And once you have done that, you can actually edit everything at once right here. So I'm just going to change the font style right here, or the font type, so you can have Georgia Helvetica right about there. And actually you can change it to a paragraph right about there, or you can actually change it to normal. It's all about you. If you want to make this bold, just click on bold right here, and that's about it. Now if you want to add an image, so let's search for an image about music right about here. So let's go to image. So this is really great right here, so I'm just gonna choose this one. I'm gonna save this just right there, and I'm gonna go back to the post right here. So once you have done that, or if you have an image already in your computer, just select on insert image right here and go to upload from computer. Now click on choose files right here, and go to the image that you want to actually put in your blog. So right here, this is the image that we have just recently downloaded from Google. I'm just gonna click on open and wait for it to upload. And I'm gonna click on the image. Make sure to click on the image and hit on select. So right here we have the image already. So you can actually drag this one to make it look bigger, and that's about it. So once you have done that, on the right side over here you have a lot of details. So separate labels by commas. So as you can see, there are no matching suggestions. So if you have let's just say, for example, a typo on commas, you can actually see it right here, and you can automatically fix that one. Now, as you can see, this is the publish, so you can actually set the time and date when to publish, or you can actually publish it automatically. So that's all up to you. And the permalink, so this is the link that we have for our blog. So once a potential viewer or a potential reader will actually go to this link, it will automatically lead you, or the potential reader or the viewer will automatically be leaded to your blog right here. And now the location, you can actually select the location where you are currently from. And next is the options right here. So you have the option if the reader will comment. So you can allow comments right here from the readers, or do not allow. And you can also do that. So once you have done that, just click on publish right here. So it will say publish post. So this will publish this post to your blog. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So you can see post is published. So once I go to my blog right here, I'm just going to refresh this real quick to see if there are any changes. And there you have it. This is where we will be getting ads. So as you can see, this is the photo that we have actually chosen, and this is the blog that we have actually posted. So as you can see right here, you have to share some posted comments, and you can actually click on read more right here. That's about it. So they can actually comment because of the option that we have just done earlier, that anyone can comment. So that's about it. It is very simple and it's very easy. Now there are a few things that I want to talk about. You can go to layout if you want to change the layout of your blog right here. So as you can see, you can add some gadgets, you can add some about me options, some blog archives, some labels, and you can actually report abuse gadget right here if someone chose to abuse it. And as you can see right here, you can design right here anything that you actually want. So on the pages section right here, as you can see, there are no pages. So if you want to create a page, you can actually do that right about there. And now for the earnings, you can actually had an AdSense account. So if you have an AdSense account, just connect this to AdSense, and automatically AdSense will have the ability to have some and have some data on how many blog readers are reading your blog currently per month, per week, and so on and so forth, right about there. So, and the stats right about here. So as you can see, these are the viewers all time, today, yesterday, this month, and last month. So these are the details or some data that Blogger has gathered for you of how many people actually read your blog. So I guess that's it for this video, and as you can see, we have already created a blog. It is very easy and it's very simple. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!